welcome back for another video. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley Lyons, aka Ashley Bedeck, and today we're going to be slaying this beautiful highlighted lace wig. Now I love a good highlighted lace wig, two-tone lace wig, ombre lace wig, balayage. I love all color lace wig, and I love taking on the challenge of seeing if I can make it look good on me. Now I know this one's gonna look good on me because first of all, it has that golden tone that looks so good against my complexion. It has a darker root, and then it also has a little bit of darker color underneath. So I also like the fact that this one is a little bit more on the natural side. So this one here is 20 inches in length, which I like for a different switch up, you know, natural look. You know, typically I would go for 22, 24, 26, but it's nice to switch it up and have something that's a little bit more lightweight. It's 150% density. The closure on this one is 5x5, so it's about like right here to right here. So you have enough space to be a little bit more on the versatile side, yet it's still going to be a closure wig, so you don't get sideburns and all of that. But the good thing about a closure wig, if you're someone who is always on the go, they're so much easier to have a glueless fit. You'll literally be able to cut off your excess lace and it's still gonna sit on your head just fine. That way, if you have days where you don't have time to bond it down, or if you just want to add a elastic band to make it completely glueless, you definitely will have that option. Here is a quick look at the inside construction of the cap. You'll see exactly how the wig comes when you receive it. Super beautiful and very detailed when it comes to the color. So this is going to be a super quick and easy install, which is what I love most about it. I'll give you kind of a look at the hairline. It's definitely pre-plucked, and I like the fact that because it has a darker root, again, it's going to blend with my complexion really good. They could have went for even darker, like a natural brown, but of course I like the way that they lightened it up. That way you can kind of, you know, have a little bit of fun and not just your normal natural brown color, which, don't get me wrong, I like, but I also love the challenge of being able to switch it up. So I'm just gonna move the hair backwards away from the lace, and we're gonna go ahead and do literally a 5-minute install. You see, simple and easy. It fits on the hairline very nicely, so it's not going to necessarily slide back. If you're going to wear it for a long period of time, again, you still want to bond it down a little bit, or at least add an elastic band to kind of help it to stay in place. Because this one is going to be an easy install, we're going to go with our favorite Old Faithful adhesive, linked in the description box. Okay, that was super simple and easy, right? Now I love it whenever I'm bonding a wig down. I kind of like will tease the hair because I want it to, you know, be a little bit more fun and flirty, not too like straight and pinned down to my head, but we are going to keep it as a center part. The only decision we really have to make is that if we want to add a little bit of baby hair, I kind of feel like we can add some little frizzles. Oh, this looks really good on me. I really like this. Now, the key to this one and what I love is the way that it sits. You always want your closure to look more like a frontal. Like, you don't want it to be a dead giveaway that it's a closure. So for example, you know, if we lift this up, this is like cap, it's not lace. But when we lay it flat, you know, the wind's gonna blow, the wind's gonna blow. We want to see like hair and things like that. So I love the way this company has the wig naturally lay, so that like these hairs here naturally are gonna go down like that. That way it just gives lace, you know what I mean? It doesn't, like, if this was to go straight back, it would look a lot crazier. So it just naturally flows this way, and then the only thing that really moves backwards and out of the way is where the closure area is. We did get a little bit of white cast from bonding it down, but that's just to be expected. So let's go ahead and smooth this out really quickly and decide how and what products we want to use to style the ends or the length of the curls. Okay, now we're gonna style it down. I did decide to go with no baby hair. You guys know off camera I'm gonna add some baby hair, but I know I like to switch it up for you guys so you guys can see, you know, different options. So, you know, I'll give you guys baby hair in the next one, I'm sure. But I'm just gonna use all mousse in my fingers to kind of, you know, style the hair and see what we come up with. Okay guys, I absolutely love when I have a super simple, easy, like literally 1, 2, 3 step install, because if it's easy for me, that means it's going to be super easy and beginner friendly for you. Now this one again is curly hair, so it's easy. You don't have to put any heat, you don't have to curl it, you don't have to do any craziness to it. It's already set as a center part. I added powder to add or to match my complexion, and then it's a closure wig, so this is going to be simple to bond down, literally fail proof and beginner friendly, and that's what I love about it. Now as you guys see, I did choose to use powder. If you follow me and you watch my videos, you know I typically will use concealer, and I tried to switch it up. I'm still team concealer, but you guys know, like, I'll do concealer for 6 months and swear it's the best thing, then I'll switch to this or switch to that. So right now that's what I'm loving. Of course I'm itching to add a little bit of baby hair, but I do feel like for a lot of you the no baby hair look is a lot more clean and sleek. If I did not show at the beginning of the video, this is the packaging. The wig came in a box like so, and the box actually came in a cute little drawstring backpack like this. And this is really cute because obviously it's reusable. You can use it as like a gym bag, or, you know, of course just to store your wig or whatever you choose. And I like that because who doesn't like free goodies? And there also were a few more things inside of the packaging, so I'll share. You get 2 of these duck bell clips, or I think that's what they're called. You also get this here, which I'm not sure what it is. It's shaped like a diamond, and you open it up and it's a pair of lashes. Really cute. You also get a 2-pack of wig caps, which, you know, is standard. As I mentioned, you do want to add a elastic band to a wig like this. That way you don't have to keep it bonded down and it won't slide back. So they did give the elastic band as well as a comb that you can sew in there. I typically don't sew any combs into mine. If it doesn't already come with one, I just leave it as is. This is a nice bandeau, so you'll be able to wear it around the hair. Really cute. I love the color pattern. It gives very much Louis Vuitton / Hermes vibes. And then this here is a leopard cap. I never know what it is, if it's cheetah print or leopard print. Okay, so it's a neck scarf / headband. So this is really cute. I'm actually traveling in a couple of weeks, so this might be cool to put on. It goes over your neck, and then basically it sits here, and you can, like, you know, cover because we're still in a pandemic. Or you can put it around your head and, you know, make it a turban, or you can make it a bandeau. So a really cute, nice little nifty piece. Perfect for times like these, and also to wear on your head. So again, I like this one. I also liked it without styling the ends of the hair. You can definitely keep it natural. I love a good wavy or curly wig with that natural, little bit frizzy texture, because it gives a vibe. It's usually very big and it just looks really, really good to me. But I really wanted to test out the curls on this one and see what happens when you wet them down a little bit. And I do like it. Again, it's gonna dry and, you know, get full again. But that's pretty much it for this video. I really do hope that you guys enjoyed this one. Be sure to check out Neflyon. I have a link to this wig in the description box, including details and all you need to know about the wig, as well as links to everything I used in this video, which literally was like maybe 3 products. So don't forget to check that out down below. I'm Ashley Bedeck if you're tuning in for the first time. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button if you made it this far in the video, because that means you guys love me so much, and I definitely do appreciate it. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches!